Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to use a split screen on iPhone. For example, if you want to use the split screen on iPhone, so how you gonna do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So here, if you want to use the split screen on iPhone, as you can see, I am using the split screen on iPhone. And here you can see in one screen I am using the Twitter, and in other screen I am watching a YouTube video. So in this way you can simply use the split screen on iPhone without jailbreaking. So how you gonna do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to watch this video completely. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply open the App Store here, and here you have to simply search for split screen share. So here you can simply look for split screen share, so that you can find this kind of app. For this, as you can see here, you can find this kind of app, split screen dual window, and here you have to make sure that you install that app, and after installing you can simply open the app, and for this you have to simply watch a simple ad, and after that you will be able to use that multi window app. But you have to make sure that you use it properly, because after using the split screen you can simply use only two apps while using that. So in this way you can simply use split screen on iPhone without jailbreaking. So you have liked this video, kindly subscribe our channel.